Tell us about your franchise. How did you hear about this opportunity? What led you to go saying that I want to be a franchisee? And what were the benefits of choosing to go down the route of being a franchisee versus starting a new business from scratch? And tell me about the benefits of being an early franchisee in the system. Like, what was some of the advantages and why you chose to go a new franchisee? What's your vision? Are you looking to open up more locations, or what's your vision for the next few years? I'm here at the IFA Convention, and who am I with today?
Julie Lee.
Tell us about your franchise.
I'm with Cloud9 Foot Spa, and I'm the #1 franchisee for that brand.
So you are the first franchisee for Cloud9 Foot Spa. How did you hear about this opportunity?
I know Sean pretty well. We were friends, like investment friend in one investment club, and I really trust him. And I think he is capable, on my standing, capable to run a good business. And I heard that he's doing really well, and he opened 8 stores, and each location has great reputation.
So now as you're looking to kind of start a business, you have options of saying, let me start a business from scratch, or let me join a brand that already exists and be a franchisee. What led you to go saying that I want to be a franchisee, and what were the benefits of choosing to go down the route of being a franchisee versus starting a new business from scratch?
That's a great question. So there was one reason I want to start small business is because my daughter, my youngest daughter, she is 11th grade, and she one year ago, she told me she wanted to be a large business woman, and it was like, let's start with a small business. And then I was thinking about, I cannot fail right away. If I open a small business by myself, then 90% of chance I will fail, probably within first year. So let's do a franchise, and that we at least get 60%. We can survive for first year. So I did lots of research, and I looked at probably more than 100 franchise opportunities and talked to people. But I intently select those sections like well-being, online living, or healthcare area. After I talked to a few franchise and did some franchisee validation, I decided to join Cloud9 Foot Spa because they have very simple, efficient system for me to follow.
When you're looking to become a business owner, if you start a business from scratch on your own, you have a 90% chance of failure.
Why I'm doing that with my little girl, right? It's not a good encouragement for her at all.
So to have a better chance of success, go find a franchise system that has a proven business model, and you have the support of them to now grow your business.
And I don't want to go with some franchise already have 10,000 store already, and I think it's a good system and a good size for me to jump in. And plus, I trust Sean very well.
So because you have the option to now look at a brand that's more established, or you can go with a brand that's just starting. So you went with the brand that was kind of just starting. And tell me about the benefits of being an early franchisee in the system. Like, what was some of the advantages and why you chose to go a new franchisee?
That's a great question, because the Cloud9, they have stores. They have stores in Houston, in California, in Seattle, but it's a wide open market for us to do something in Dallas area. So this is something I want my girl to practice and for me to learn as well. We joined local Chamber of Commerce like Frisco, Louisville, and try to build a connection, build people network. And in this area, we can practice ourselves and hopefully develop business.
And you said something very inspiring, is that your daughter wanted to be a businesswoman, and you looked at this as an opportunity to buy a franchise to also give her that experience and that education, to give her that business training. And that's really inspiring. Tell us a little bit more about that approach and that dynamic with your daughter and really teaching her owning a business through franchising.
So it's not buying, we start from scratch. And because for that, we experienced last 18 months, we experienced a lot. Doing business is totally different from what she has been doing good in school. That's totally different. She can be book smart, but she also need to learn other smarts. So we did construction, we did site selection together and the constructions and experienced lots of things. I mean, she grew a lot so far, she grew and learned a lot. I would say compared to 1 year ago, she's much younger, a young, mature lady, and she is taking lead for the front desk team right now.
That's truly inspiring. What a great way to supplement their education with real-life work experience with a proven business model to set them up for success.
Studying in a very famous private school in Dallas. It's called the Hockaday, and the school provides a lot of opportunity. And she's a team captain of a field hockey sports team, and she's doing well at the school. But other than that, there's something else outside of school, right? And you hit the real deal and see the real world. Work with. I think working with different type of people is really great experience for her future. She become a really successful businesswoman.
What's your vision? Are you looking to open up more locations, or what's your vision for the next few years?
Hopefully, way. And our goal, me and Sean's goal, is we open at least 3 in DFW area. And it's a great area, and people are moving to Texas and Dallas area, and we see great potential in this area.
Congratulations on all your success. Very inspiring story. We look forward to seeing you continue to grow. Thank you. There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.